Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our BCOM Gujarat University student account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your BCOM Gujarat University's student account, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Gujarat University Student Login BCOM. So after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page, and in this page you can tap on the first option which says Gujarat University. So after tapping on Gujarat University, you can log into your account by entering your email address and then entering your password. So after you enter your password, you have to enter the caption which is on your screen. So after entering all the details, what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. You can reset or recover your password by tapping on forgot password if you have forgotten your password. So by tapping on forgot password, you can create a new password for your account. After creating a new password, just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created. After entering the new password that you have created, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So if you are facing an error on entering your caption, what you can do is just refresh this caption, and after refreshing the caption you will get a new caption. You can enter that. So after entering that new caption, just tap on login and you will successfully log into your account. But if you don't have an account, you can create one by tapping on don't have an account sign up option. So just tap on this option and then create an account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Gujarat University BCOM student account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.